Welcome to Kidz Stories. In a quaint, sun-kissed forest, a symphony of chirps echoed through the towering trees. Two vibrant bluebirds, Azure and Iris, embarked on a quest to build the perfect nest. Their love soared higher than the tallest branches as they gathered twigs, leaves, and soft feathers. Perched on a sturdy limb, Azure meticulously arranged each element, while Iris added a touch of color with delicate flowers. Together, they wove a masterpiece of warmth and security, crafting a haven for their future family. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the completed nest. Days turned into weeks, and soon, a chorus of tiny peeps emanated from the cozy abode. Azure and Iris became doting parents,